Well, good morning, First Team. Major General Jeffery Broadwater with Command Sgt. Major Kenny here, and this is your first Cav update. And so our #1 priority remains increasing the health protection of our soldiers and our troopers. And we've had some questions on, well, how are you balancing that with the real-world missions that we're doing? And so we talked a little bit about how we maintain in PT and our training focus, but a lot of it revolves around maintenance. So we're down here with our Air Cav Brigade as they are doing some maintenance on this helicopter that you see behind us right now. Social distancing still remains in effect, but sometimes, how do we protect our soldiers while social distancing could be at a risk? And so I'm going to turn it over to Sergeant Major to kind of show you a little bit of how that's going on.
All right, soldiers are authorized but not required to wear protective masks and neck gaiters on and off post. A soldier should not make coverings made from Army combat uniforms or other materials that have been treated with chemicals. Masks should not have any printed wording, pictures, or unit logos. They should be generic in colors, the white and blue, the typical ones. Our neck gaiters should be black, brown, or sand colored. Masks help filter the air you breathe, but also helps contain your cough and help you from inadvertently touching your mouth or nose with your hands.
One of the great things that we are very, very proud of, and we greatly appreciate all our families and our troopers' support on this, is the communication that you've had with your chain of command. We know that, look, there's a lot of unknowns and things change all the time on here, every day it seems like. So we greatly appreciate the feedback that you have with your chain of command. So we continue to stress these day-to-day engagements with our soldiers and family members on and off post to check on each other to make sure that your needs are being met and that we're seeing problems before they become real big problems.
All right, so physical fitness is very important to our Cav troopers to maintain. The current APFT testing has been postponed until the Army directive will be relooked every 30 days. So we ask you to maintain your fitness at home with small groups and maintain the discipline to your daily activities of staying busy. A fit and healthy body will help us maintain and get through these areas.
Lastly, hey, look, we fully know that you're at Fort Hood, Texas, that if you're a soldier, that we have general orders that you're following, as well as the state guidance on terms of shelter in place and what that is. Look, I'm sure that there's some confusion out there on some of that, and we just, again, continue to ask that you work through those problems with your chain of command so that we can address those and make sure that everybody's being taken care of. So keep the questions coming. We greatly appreciate it. First Team.
Live the legend.
During the global pandemic, the Army needs to maintain readiness at all times. And when social distancing can't be achieved, we continue on by wearing masks, such as the neck gaiter or the N95 mask or surgical masks to keep us from getting infected by COVID-19. Always remember, be safe,
be healthy,
kill the virus.